banana peppers. I'm jumping in with the quick little double intro. I just wanted to give you guys another quick reminder and update that you can now shop my closet on my Depop shop. I just did a massive shop update. I actually just reopened my shop about a month ago. Anyways, I just wanted to let you guys know that I am in the process of listing a bunch of Halloween stuff right now. I'm trying to clear out my closet of my old Halloween costumes because you guys, you know Vlogoween is coming up and we're gonna have a ton of new Halloween costumes this year. I guess that's another little update is I'm feeling much more positive about Vlogoween lately. Even when I originally filmed this video, which is, you're hopefully gonna watch it, I was still kind of like super stumped for Halloween ideas, but it's been a couple days since I filmed the actual video part of this video and I'm feeling better now. I feel like my, I was gonna say artist's block, my Halloween Vlogoween YouTube block, I feel like it's drifting away and I've been hit with the inspiration of a lot of fun Halloween stuff. So I am now very excited for Vlogoween. So I hope you guys are too. I feel like there's gonna be videos on this channel and on my main channel. I feel like that's gonna be the only difference, which hopefully you guys will enjoy, is I feel like usually when Vlogoween rolls around, I upload everything to Graveyard Girl, but I sort of think it's gonna be like a nice balance this time because I think I'm gonna have some videos that is more like banana peppers. I feel like you guys would enjoy. I think it'll be a balance. Plus you guys already know, because I feel like I gave y'all a sneak peek, that I have some specific Halloween like mystery unboxing things to unbox. So it's gonna be exciting. I'm excited. Anyway, this was literally just meant to be like a 2-second intro and here I am, like I do, rambling. Okay, I'll see you guys later. When I say bananas, you say peppers. And you guys, I hope I'm seeing you right now. I hope you're seeing this right now because today was a day I needed a brand new memory card, ordered it from Amazon, got it in the mail, shoved it, I almost said in this calculator. Can you imagine? I'm filming YouTube videos with a calculator. But anyway, shoved the memory card in there and it kept flashing error, but now it seems like everything is okay. So hopefully this is all gonna work out. Also, I just walked up the stairs and spilled tea all over myself. My hair is a mess. I'm probably covered in sticky liquid. So let's get started with today's video. I am excited for these boxes. I feel like I sit down and I tell you guys, I'm excited for this. I'm always excited. What can I say? Just continual state of excitement. But today we are gonna be opening some Pusheen blind boxes. Now, I feel like I did Pusheen blind boxes like literally a million years ago. I want to say it was one of the very first like type of mystery unboxing things I did on my main channel. I swear I opened, this is series 10 now. Like it's what's going on in the world of Pusheen. In my world, time flies. I don't know. But I remember I didn't even know these were a thing and a lot of you guys were telling me about them. They're very, very cute. So that's what we're gonna be doing today. But we opened these weird ones. Do you guys remember the last unboxing we just did on, I think this was the last unboxing we just did on this channel of these guys with like hammers and stuff. And I said, why did I buy 5 boxes? I didn't buy 6, I didn't buy 8, I bought 5. What did I do again today? I literally thought I bought 6. We have 5. It's like I can't count to 6 or something. I don't know. I think today we are on like the stupidest mission ever. Let me go ahead and give you guys an up close look at these boxes. So this is, what is it called? Pusheen's Lazy Summer or something? Yes, series 10. Lazy Summer Surprise Plush. So what these are, just in case you don't remember the last time I unboxed these 5 years ago, they are little miniature plush Pusheen keychains. But I didn't even know that Pusheen has all of these. It's almost like Hello Kitty or something. Like Pusheen has sidekicks and a whole family and all kinds of stuff like that. Because this is why this is a stupid mission, you guys. I am on the hunt today for one particular character, and I had no idea that this is like the super mystery secret ultra rare. They don't even show you what it is on the side of the box because, like I was trying to say, I feel like when we first opened these, it was just all Pusheen. There was no like Pusheen sidekicks. But now there's like this little hamster guy, and I'm not sure what this character is called. It's like Pusheen, but I think it's gonna be like a fluffier cat instead. And then there's this guy, you guys. And I'm not gonna show you a picture of him yet, just in case we pull him out of the box. It's one of my all-time favorite plushies that Dogman has ever gotten for me. I call him a corn dog, even though he's meant to be a sloth. But if we pull him out of the box, slash, if I have to show you guys a picture, you'll see maybe why I call him a corn dog. I don't know. Anyway, enough talking. Let's get to unboxing. So I guess there's what, 6 different options? I thought that there was like 2 sides to these boxes full of options, but I'm just now realizing it's the same picture twice. So let's see. There's a little question mark on the top. And I was about to be like, wow, it's squishy. Like they're plush. Okay, who did we get? Unfortunately, like no information or anything in the box. And oh my gosh. Okay, we got Surfboard Pusheen. So he has sunglasses and he's on his little surfboard. And you guys, these are so soft. I feel like the Pusheen plushes, anytime I squish them, I feel like they are some of the squishies. They almost feel like a mochi. Why was I gonna say mushy? What is that? Mochi. That's what I'm trying to say. Mochi plushies, I think, is what they are referred to. Very cute, but you're not the one I'm looking for. Okay, up next, 4 left. Now, I will say, I feel like the plush blind boxes also, they go so fast. Who is next? Oh, I didn't even show you guys. Look, it's, can you see? Slightly on the packaging, there is a little Pusheen on there. And I didn't realize that this is by Gund, the brand Gund. Oh, no. Can you imagine? What if I just pull out 5 surfing Pusheen? I don't get to do what I used to do back in the day and like go to the store and be like, oh, which one feels different? These, I don't know, they kind of all feel exactly the same to me, which is starting to become very, very frightening 3 boxes into this process. Wish me luck, you guys. I don't want to see the same one again. Who did we get now? Please let it be a corn dog. Oh my God. I don't even want to say what this feels like. I bet you guys can guess what it feels like. Oh, okay. Different. Ooh, okay. So this is the one that I was saying. Do you have a face? Oh my God. There's its face. It was like a hidden facial situation. If you guys know what this character is, let me know. I kind of wish that they gave you like any kind of other information on the box. Does this character always have this ribbon? And he's pretending to be a shark. So he has a little shark fin and a little fluffy tail. And there's his little fluffy face. He has 2 fluffy ears in there. He's cute. I feel like this giant butt tag is throwing me off. But there he goes. Dun dun. Dun dun. At least it was somebody different. I was starting to become concerned. Oh, only 2 chances left, you guys. Are we gonna see the magical corn dog? Okay, this is, oh, thank gosh. He has his sunglasses pushed on his head and he's drinking. He's having a little sippy out of a giant cup there. So there we go. He has a cute little tail. This one, once again, is like super duper soft. Here we go. One last chance, you guys. But I don't know. I don't know if it's meant to be, you guys. We got, nope. Oh, no. Oh, we did bad with the repeats today, you guys. We only got, well, like, I mean, I guess like 3 different characters out of 5 boxes. What's the statistics on that? Let me double count. How many is there? There's 8, including the surprise. So we saw 3 different characters out of 8 in 5 boxes. Somebody run me some statistics on that. These are super, super cute. I like them, but I am definitely disappointed. Although I should have known, and I did know as soon as I saw it was the super mystery, ultra secret, rare. I don't know if they say like your odds. No, they don't. I don't know. When did these come out? Are these new? I'm just now trying to find out all kinds of information. But I don't know, you guys. I'm gonna look it up really quick. So I did just look it up and I didn't see anything like, oh, your odds to get this one are 2 out of every 5, 7 out of every 10. Like I didn't really see normally how like the Kid Robot ones, you know, like give you different percentages or odds. Maybe I'm just thinking that like doing 5 was not enough. I definitely probably should have done like 6 or 8 and then maybe we would have gotten to see more of the characters. Because I do feel like normally I ask you guys like, hey, which one was your favorite? But like there's literally only 3 options today, but maybe you still had a favorite. I like them. They're adorable, but I do wish we would have gotten to see the corn dog. He's so cute. But I'll see if I can find a picture of what exactly he was supposed to look like in this series too. I think he was supposed to come with like a little like raft, like a little, I call them lifesavers. I don't think they're lifesavers. Anyway, you guys, I'm off to brainstorm today what I'm gonna do for Vlogoween this year. I don't feel like it's ever been more challenging any year for me to come up with like Vlogoween or Halloween. I almost called them segments, like ideas. I don't know. I feel like I have a couple really good ideas this year and then literally just nothing else. Just my mind is a blank. But I think for this channel, you guys, what we're gonna do, what we're gonna unbox next is I got a brand new box of Kid Robot. They came out with Keith Haring, and I don't know if his name is actually pronounced Haring or Herring, so I don't know, but these remind me a lot of the Andy Warhol ones. You guys know I love so much because they're more like an artist series. So this is gonna be, and I have a really big one down there too. So I'm excited for these and I hope you guys are gonna be too. Anyway, thank y'all so much for hanging out with me today and for watching. Also, let me know, do you guys like the plush keychains? Like, should I get more of these? Maybe like different ones, or do you guys like the little figures better? Anyway, that is it for today. Leave me all of your thoughts and opinions down below. Thank y'all so much for hanging out with me today, spending a little time. And until I see you guys again, which is gonna be very soon, stay happy, stay healthy, stay sassy, stay banana peppery. Also, I forgot to say it, but subscribe if you'd like to, and you're not already, and become a member of the Banana Pepper Squad today. Okay, I love you guys so much, and I'll see you again very soon. Bye!